number 5, 6. Y'all, I'm confused now. Anyway, guys, it is 7:12 and I am just now getting to my vlog. I have tried all day to get on and vlog with you guys. I have been so unbelievably busy. So I started out by getting up this morning and I went and got my nails done because I have not gotten my nails done since March of 2020. I've just been wearing press-ons since then. Well, this past week, I mean, every nail that I put on the day before it just popped off, and I'm just like, let me go and get my nails done. So I did, and it felt so nice. So I got that little snippet. But you guys, I was so busy in between. I'm just now getting an opportunity to pick up the camera and to vlog with you guys. So I didn't get to bring you guys along with me today. It wasn't very like event filled. It wasn't anything that I think that you guys would be so interested in seeing. But anyway, I am going right now to Trader Joe's. Angelina is in rehearsal for a production that she's in, and I need to pick her up at 8. I need to go into Trader Joe's, so I wanted to bring you guys along shopping with me. I always love to be able to do that. So there are a few fall finds at Trader Joe's. You all know how every fall Trader Joe's has a special line of products that they get for the fall. A few of them I wanted to try. So I'm pulling up right now in the Trader Joe's parking lot, and I wanted to bring you guys along with me. So come and shop with me at Trader Joe's. Let's see what goodies we can find. All right, Trader Joe's. I want to get a few of these for decoration. Up here. Did anybody, when growing up, did any of your parents ever tell you that if you had the lights on in your car that you could get pulled, that they could get pulled over if they had the lights on in the car? I remember, I think it was my mom who told me that. Was it an aunt or a grandmother or something? I remember somebody telling me that they were not allowed to turn the lights on in the car because if so, they would get a ticket or they get pulled over or something like that. Is that only my family? But I grew up thinking that I could never have my lights on in the car at night when I was driving. So, you know, did anybody else, anybody else ever told that? Was anybody else ever told that? I'm curious to know. But anyway, so guys, I'm just leaving Trader Joe's. So I wanted to get some of those fall finds. A lot of them we've tasted already. And I was not about to spend my money on something that I've already tasted. I'm interested in tasting those fall items because they're unique and they're different, but a lot of them I'd already had. A lot of them were a lot of sweets, and I can't do a lot of sweets. I got a couple of things that were carb heavy, just for the sake of tasting them for you guys and letting you know how they are. But yeah, I only got a few items, so that was a bummer. I thought there were a lot more than that. I don't know if just our Trader Joe's didn't have a wide variety of the fall items. I don't know, but a lot of the things they had last year. And I'm gonna leave a link in the description box below of the video that Angelina and I did where we tasted so many of Trader Joe's fall finds. Some were really great, some not so much. But anyway, so right now I'm hungry. I've got about 25 minutes before I have to go pick up Angelina, so I'm stopping to get me some wings. parents at Wingstop. I'm stopping there to get some wings, and then I'm gonna head on over and pick up Angelina, and then I'm gonna catch up with you guys back at the house. I want to taste those pumpkin tortilla chips. Did you guys see those? I'm interested in seeing what that tastes like. I cannot put the taste together in my mind, so I am gonna go on camera and taste those when I get home. So I'll check back with you guys when I get back in the house. All right, guys, so I told you that I was going to be trying these pumpkin tortilla chips. I don't know why she's looking crazy. She says this sounds awful, and it does, but I am interested in knowing what they taste like. So I got them. So it's pumpkin tortilla chips crafted with simple ingredients, including pumpkin puree, pumpkin seeds, cinnamon, and nutmeg.
Puree, pumpkin puree.
Cinnamon and nutmeg. So it just sounds like a sweet tortilla chip. Almost, you know, it's probably like those cinnamon chip things that they used to have at Taco Bell. Remember those?
Yeah.
Cinnamon crisp?
I still have one.
No, I smell corn. The cinnamon crisp are like not corn smelling. These smell corny. Okay, corny. I'm tired. I'm tired, y'all. Don't I look tired? I look a mess. But anyway, we're gonna try this real quick.
Oh, sorry. We're supposed to
Wait, we're supposed to, can we do this together?
I didn't.
Why should in a hurry? Like, we got somewhere to go. I do have to go to bed. Okay, you ready? This has a hint of pumpkin in there. Rough.
It tastes like a tortilla chip with pumpkin essence.
Oh god. So
And
there's
it's
not a
stale.
big. No, it's not stale. Stale is chewy. I'm like, this right here it's really crisp. It's just a hint of pumpkin in here. Okay, so there's not, pumpkin has not made a big presence in here. So
You're not really missing anything.
yeah.
With them.
Don't waste your money, y'all. I've tried them for you. I've wasted $2 and some change. $3. It's about $2.99 here. Yeah. Okay. So hopefully somebody in the house will eat these. Yeah. Okay. Well, anyway, so that was good. I did go ahead and taste this. I thought it was going to be better than what it was. It's okay. It's okay. I'm used to getting the pumpkin loaf at Starbucks. I'm tired, y'all. At Starbucks, and it's just nice and fresher tasting. These here, yeah, not so much. Not so much. So
I still like it though.
yeah, that's good. It'll be good with some coffee or something. I can't have any more, so this is all yours. Oh, I did get this too, so that maybe I can almost get some that taste like that at Starbucks. So I'll be tasting this, making this and tasting it for you guys to let you know if it's worth it. So I'll probably get this done this weekend, and of course I'll do it on camera so that you guys can see. Then what else did I get that's worthy of sharing with you all? I think that's all the pumpkin stuff I was able to get. I got pumpkin, you know, for pumpkin pie that I'll make during the holidays, but oh, let me show you guys these. Thank you for your presents. All right, so I do want to show you guys these. I did get some pumpkins for decorating purposes. These, you know, Trader Joe's had the best little pumpkins. So these were just like $1.49. I thought they were so cute. So I'm going to include these in my cleaning and then spraying the glaze on them. I think these are going to be so cute decorated, right? Aren't these like picture perfect? I love those. And then I got this one too. This one needs to be cleaned really well, but I love the color of this one. So I'm going to clean it off really good and then spray some more glaze on it. I think that's going to be really, really nice. But then I got a couple other things. I think, yeah, I showed you all in the picture. The cranberries I got because I'm going to be doing my simmer pots. So that's perfect. I needed a fresh thing of, a bag of fresh cranberries. And so I got that. Really happy that I found that, but didn't get too much. As you all saw, I ended up spending like $30 and some change. It was literally, I think, $30.98, something like that. So I didn't spend a whole lot of money. But yeah, that is it. So y'all, I'm getting ready to go upstairs and get ready for bed. Before I do go to sleep, I am going to make my detox tea and everything. So I'll be down to say goodnight to you guys when I am done. All right, nope, so I changed my mind. I went ahead and made my tea now because I thought about it. Once I get upstairs, take my shower, I'm putting my bonnet on, and y'all are not fixing to see me bonnet and all, no. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. So thank you guys so much for joining me for another vlog right here during my month of Vlogtober. It is always a pleasure. It is my prayer that you and your family have a blessed and a prosperous day, and I'm gonna talk to you in tomorrow's video right here on Sincerely Legenia. Bye guys.